everyone, welcome to my channel. The much awaited trailer of Kantara A Legend Chapter 1 is here. The teaser, the glimpse actually came 1 year back, so it's been a long time wait for all of us. The movie is going to release on 2nd October, so it's almost a 3-minute trailer. Don't want to delay this any further. Let's watch it right away. All right. Place of origin. Set in the past, now it'll be a period film basically.
ಯಾವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಧರ್ಮದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಸಾಗ್ತಾನ ಧರ್ಮ ಕಾಪಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಶ್ವರ ದೇವರು ಗಣಗಳನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣಗಳು ಬಂದು ನೆಲೆಸಿತು ಈ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಮಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Oh, Berme.
ಬಂದದ್ದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಡ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
So that'll be Rishabh Shetty basically.
ಕಾಂತಾರದ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಯಾಕೆ ನಗುದು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
The music is so good now. So nice to see Gulshan in this film.
ಕಾಂತಾರದವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಬಂದರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಇಳಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Okay.
ಬಾಂಗ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದದ್ದು? ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬರಬಾರ್ದ?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮೂರು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಯುವರಾಣಿಯೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇರುವುದು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂರು ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತವೆ. ಕುಲಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಟಿದ ಕಳಂಕವನ್ನು ಕಾಂತರದ ರಕ್ತದಿಂದ ತೊಳಿತೇನೆ.
Okay.
ಅರಸ
Wow, what a shot. Oh, I like this song. Ooh. Wow. Oh, wow. That shot is beautiful. Look at that. Wow.
ಈಶ್ವರ ದೇವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದದ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೆಲೆಸಿದ್ರು.
He lived here. This was in the glimpse, the teaser. Oh, like the song. Because it's a period film, the action is going to be even like crazier. Okay, let me stop this. Love the song that they have used here. Really love the ending. That ta-ta-ta. I'm sure they'll release it hopefully in a couple of days. But what I really liked about the trailer is that you can clearly draw parallels with the first film and this one, because even though this is a period film and it basically talks about the origins of from where this legend has come, but if you compare the first film with this in terms of the storyline, that was of course man versus the nature. Here it is again a kingdom versus the nature. It is again that, and the people of Kantara, they're protecting basically the forest, and it was similar in the first one as well. Here obviously the storyline would be different, but I'm saying the sentiment is still the same. Now I remember in the teaser glimpse it specifically mentioned that this story is set in the Kadamba dynasty, which is the 4th century CE, right? So that was the first dynasty. I mean, it is the dynasty that established the language Kannada. So it's a very, very, very important dynasty in our Indian history. And how they tie this entire story from that dynasty and the legend of Kantara would be extremely fascinating to watch. And I know a lot of hopes are going to be pinned on this one, and that comparison is going to be inevitable. But what I felt after watching this trailer is that we should not compare, because the two stories are set in completely different eras, two different periods. So I think we need to see it from that lens. We cannot expect and should not expect a similar story to the first Kantara. Though I'm aware that somehow a connection is going to be made with the first film, that how this legend came about, but the point is that it has to be seen with a completely different lens, is what I feel. I love that Gulshan Davaiya has been cast as one of the main characters here. He is the evil king, and he feels that his kingdom is quite threatened because of presence of the Kantara people basically, and they are somehow disturbing his peace. So yes, the battle sequences are going to be one of the highlights, is what I feel. The production looks massive, obviously, because now they have gotten a bigger budget because of the massive success of the first film. But what I am looking for in this film, like my expectation as a fan, is a story which is still very much rooted. No matter how larger than life it is in terms of the visual spectacle, I would still want a very rooted, beautiful, emotional period drama from this film. Because if you remove that very essence which made the first film what it is, then no matter whatever budgets you get, it is still going to feel a tad bit empty. So that is what I'm still essentially looking for in the film, that core rooted story basically. So yes, that was my reaction to Kantara Legend Chapter 1 trailer. I want to know your thoughts in the comments, and yes, with that I will end this video here, and I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye!